Still Woozy is an independent artist that makes guitar-based, psychedelic, jazzy, intimate, soundscape pop music that makes you want to be in a relationship.
Hey, do you know where the thing is? I'm just kidding. I'm just wondering if you want to be my girlfriend so I can write songs about you.
Everybody knows that the average resting heart rate beats 60 times per minute. The average dancing heart rate beats 130 times per minute. But what most people don't know is that the average woozy heart rate beats in a 4/4 two-step syncopated rhythm. The guitar is the heart and soul of woozy music, which is composed of a 4/4 chord progression with lots of sevens. So grab your guitar, and then use a guitar emulator because you can't play guitar for shit. Next comes the bass guitar, which is like a regular guitar but thicker. So just follow the root notes of the chords and pretend you know what you're doing. Lastly, add some melodies with Old Reliable here. Oh, and don't forget to season your drum kit with a little bit of a salt shaker, you know what I'm saying? Great, so now just put them all together. Great, all you have to do now is just sing the lyrics. Oh wait, you don't have the lyrics. We need to do that. In order to write the lyrics like Still Woozy, you're gonna need emotions. So just think about your girlfriend. Oh wait, you don't have one. So you have to go out and meet people, you know, get a little nervous, meet more people, get a little honest, and eventually, you'll see someone that really inspires a feeling.
Hey, do you know where the thing is?
So much so that your palms start getting a little sweaty, and your heart, oh my god, your heart is racing. You can tell that this one's special, and you know it because you can feel it all the way down to your bones, and before you know it, you go.
You always do that thing with your eye when you're nervous that I think is super cute. It's like a quirky half squint.
Oh yeah? Well, you do that thing where you pick your nose when you're anxious, like a quirky full penetration. It's really hot.
Wow, I want to have emotions with you.
I also want to have emotions. You'd think that after 9 months you'd get tired of the same cereal.
Well, you know, it's pretty good.
Oh my god, I think it's happening.
Oh god, now?
I think it's coming.
Oh god, okay, oh god, alright. Oh god, don't worry, okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh god. Oh, don't panic, don't panic.
Oh, don't panic,
Oh baby, they're beautiful. Great, so now that you have the lyrics, just go ahead and sing in your normal voice twice, and then pan it left to right.
I just want to know if you go, where do I belong?
And then sing in falsetto voice 4 times and pan those left to right.
I just want to know, where do I belong?
And then you press play.
I just want to know, if you go, where do I belong? Feeling so in trepidation with you, knowing that I don't know how you do, baby. I just want to know, if you go, where do I belong? Feeling so in trepidation with you, knowing that I don't know how you do.
Hey, do you know where the thing is? I'm just kidding. I'm just wondering if you want to be my girlfriend so I can write songs about you.
Oh, sorry, I actually have to.
Ah, damn. Ah.
Who's there? It's Skillshare. It's an online learning community with thousands of classes in design, business, technology, and a lot more. Premium membership gives you unlimited access so you can join the classes and communities that are right for you, your goals, and desires. If you want to learn how to mix music better, I recommend a course by Young Guru called Learn How to Mix Music. Also, if you want to learn how to play guitar, I recommend a course by Mike Boyd, because I've been learning how to play guitar and this helps. Skillshare is also very affordable, with an annual subscription being less than $10 a month. So join the millions of students already learning on Skillshare today, and with a special offer just for you, you get 2 months of Skillshare for free. To sign up, visit the link in the description and get 2 months of unlimited access to thousands of classes for free. So act now for this special offer and start learning today.